Jaya Prakash Reddy, popularly known as JP, who works primarily in the Telugu film industry. He was a Telugu actor who came into the limelight after playing the character of Veera Raghava Reddy in the feature film Samarasimha Reddy. Jaya Prakash played the role of a villain in the blockbuster Jayam Manadera and Chennaskava Reddy. He was the recipient of Nandi Award for Best Villain. Before start the video, if you like to buy exclusive collection of men and women from Amazon, you can check the link of my Amazon store given in the description below. Let's talk about Jaya Prakash Reddy's lifestyle. His real name is Jaya Prakash Reddy. His nickname is JP. He was born on May 8, 1946. He passed away on 8 September 2020. His hometown is in Andhra Pradesh, India. By profession, he is an actor. His education. He completed his studies from Andhra Christian College. His career journey. Jaya Prakash Reddy started his career as a teacher of a municipal school and later had become the headmaster. While continuing his profession, he had also dubbed in theatre activity and got fame as well-known stage artist in 1980s. Later, he moved into cinema world and the Venkatesh Stara Brahmaputrudu released in 1988 gave him a big break. Since then, he never looked back and played villain roles in a number of movies. It was the character he portrayed in Premin Chukundam Ra bought him laurels. His dialogue delivery in the Rayalaseema accent in the film was well received by the audience. Flicks like Samarasimha Reddy and Narasimha Naidu, in which he played important roles, had become blockbusters. The films are made in the backdrop of faction politics. The actor took a break in the year 2019 and settled down in Guntur. But he was persuaded by director Anil Ravipudi to work for the Manesh Babu starrer Sarelaru Nakivaru, which was also a runway hit. In this last movie, he played the role of an aging fiction leader and father of Prakash Raj. His family. His wife's name is Padma Reddy and he has 2 sons. His net worth. Salary approximately 1 crore rupees per movie. His net worth in 2020 approximately 120 crore rupees. His car collection. Jaya Prakash owns an impressive car collection which includes luxurious cars such as Audi R8, Audi Q7. Jaya Prakash Reddy passed away on Tuesday, 8 September 2020. He was 74 and suffered a cardiac arrest at his residence in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.